Woke up this morning. Gotta give thanks. King Selassie-I, Jah. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. On today's video, we will be doing an unboxing and giveaway. So make sure you stay to the end of the video to find out the giveaway details of these Maxpeedingrod coilovers that I will be doing an unboxing and giveaway. But update for the coupe, I didn't record it, my bad, but I got the pistons and I drove down to Broward and I dropped them off to Alex. He's gonna take the pistons and the block to the machine shop to get honed and jet wash and all that good stuff. So the coupe will be back on the road real soon, hopefully, because I ain't gonna lie to you, I miss it, man. I miss it. But let's get this unboxing ready. You guys probably remember these. I had these on the black coupe, the black EM1. So these are a new set, which I will be giving away to you guys free. So let's get this unboxing started. All right, so these are Maxpeedingrods, EG, DC, EK. They fit all of those years. I think they even fit the 88 like Civics, like EFs and CRXs. So when you open the box, you got your packaging, your foam. You got some paperwork right here, warranty stuff, your customer service card of what they offer. They don't just offer coilovers. They got rods and turbos and camshafts and stuff like that as well. But our main focus today are the coilovers. These are the fronts in red. This is how they come. And I'm pretty sure I made multiple coilover installation videos, but you have the cup, you have the locking key, and this is how you adjust them. That's how you go in, which will lower it, and going out, which will raise it. And once you get your designated height, you lock it. I don't recommend adjusting the preload, but if you know how to adjust the preload, and if you want to adjust the preload, by all means, adjust the preload. All right. And they also are, I have to double check on the website, but I think they're either 16 or 32-way adjustable dampering right here on the top hats. And the reason why I said they fit EGs and EKs is with these right here. The back's gonna fit regardless. So when going into an EG, you have to use this little spacer here. You put it over here and it goes into the fork, and that will close up the gap to make it fit a different model. And for the back, if the back has play on the lower control arm, same thing, adjust the locking key, go up and go down. They have washers provided. They have washers provided to go in between to fill in that gap. So these can fit EG, DC, EKs, and 88 to 91 Civics. Comes with the locking thing for the Allen, for the dampering, but you don't really have to lock it. And it comes with the key when these are tight to break them loose, like so. And that's how you will lock it as well, the opposite way. You just turn and lock them. All right, now these are them on the website. Head over to Coilovers. They're not expensive at all. They have a whole bunch of different make and models. They have them for BMWs, for Volkswagens, for Fords, for Audis, Mitsubishi, a whole bunch of different makes and models. Now, my recommendation for these are not to slam them out completely. You know, you can lower your car, just don't slam them out. If you want to get that nice ride that's not too bouncy and not nothing like that, don't slam them out. I had them on the black EM1. You guys can go back, or I'll link that video somewhere on the screen, and I'll put these on, and they rode good. They rode just fine on the EM1. You know what I mean? If you're looking for a nice little 2-3 inch drop for some coilovers that aren't gonna break the bank like whatsoever, you know what I mean? The material is pretty decent for the price. You can't beat it. I think they're like $200-300 bucks. No, like $250. And with my discount code, you'll save even more. But overall, they're not bad coilovers. Just don't like slam them out till there's no more thread. Cause then that's when they're starting to bottom out. But overall, they're pretty decent for the price. Comes with everything you need. Come with the bolts, all necessary hardware. So yeah, so if you got like a little cheap daily and you just want to lower it a little bit, you know, just to slide around in, spend $200, get you some coilovers. You know, when you stepping into a game like this, that's a whole different story. But these right here will get you right for the price. Now, you could win these coilovers completely free. I'm gonna let you know how. Real simple. But before we get into that, I gotta show you guys something I've been working on for a little minute that I'm very proud of. Yeah, it's kind of getting dark. I was doing some other things in the garage, so let me go in the house and show y'all what I was talking about.
Can we go get ice cream? Can we go get
Ice cream?
Yeah. Can we go get ice cream?
I guess we're gonna go get ice cream. Hold on. Pause. Open the... I'm about to say pilot. This ain't the pilot. In the Highlander bit. Give y'all a little update. She currently have 840 miles. Seatbelts?
Yeah, I got it.
All right, let's go get some ice cream. Yo, bro, no lie, this is one of the coolest features. So you can turn on the cruise control. It'll lock onto the lanes. You hit set. The lanes will light up right there, and then you let go of the wheel, and that bit will turn by itself. For her, that's wild. Look at that, bro. I'm hands free. This shit crazy, bro. So, like, I guess it takes the lines that's in the road, it locks onto it with the camera, the sensor in the front, and it'll just drive itself. It ain't no Tesla, you know. It'll, like, if you keep your hands off for like 30 seconds, like it knows you're not holding the wheel, it'll start beeping. But you can just touch it like this and it'll go away. Like, watch, there's about to be a bend right here. You're gonna see it curve. Oh, that's wild. I'm not holding the wheel. Watch, you're gonna see it beep. That bit's turning by itself, bro. That shit wild. All right, so we back home. Got the kids ice cream, you know. Happy wife, happy kids, happy life. Y'all know the vibes. But this is what I wanted to show everybody. So this is my whole setup. This is what I've been working on for a few months now. This is my Mac, where I edit the videos, where I fulfill all of y'all orders, all that stuff. These are the shirts. These are everything here. This is the printer for the label. This is the scale that I use to weigh it. The shirts. This is the scale that I use to weigh the shirts. This is the scale that I use to weigh the shirts. It doesn't weigh anything else, all right? And this is my PC setup, all right? You can take all over to the PC. This is a custom built that I had to learn a lot about, because I've been a console player all my life, bro, and I'm just not getting the PCs. But this is a RTX 3070 graphics card. This is an i7 CPU with the AIO radiator, all water cooled, 64 gigs of RAM, MSI Z370 motherboard, 850 power supply, RGB lights, 2 exhaust fans, 2 in the front, one on the power supply. This is my dual monitor setup, MSI 27-inch curve, 175 millihertz, whatever you want to call it. This is the LG ultra wide 34-inch. This is what I use to like have slobs on it. OBS, Xbox Series X, RGB everywhere. These are my mic setups. This is for the PC with the mix amp, Asteroids. This is a mic that I use for screaming so you guys can hear me. This is the mic or headset for the Xbox. This is my old PC, man, my old setup. Let me cut the lights off. That's how she is, man. I do have a green screen that is not set up right now, but I put it behind me and I make it transparent. But this is how it is. As you guys know, I'm a Nissan boy at heart. I love me a Skyline. But this is a PC, man, dog. NZXT H510 case. A whole bunch of storage space in there. I got two standalone drives in the back. This is it. This is the Mac. I do all of that stuff. Anyways, give you guys a closer look at the PC. I know the RGB lights be getting in the way. So the way you win these coilovers right here. The way that you're gonna win these coilovers. Oh, and by the way, this is what I use. I use an Xbox Series. I use an Elite 2 with the paddles in the back. Adjustable height thumbsticks, play on sensitivity 16. Yeah. Anyways, the way that you win these coilovers right here. Maxpeedingrods, completely free. 4 things. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 things. First, head over to my new YouTube gaming channel, Yo Fred. Links will be down below. Subscribe. Head over to my Twitch. Link will be down below. Subscribe. Head over to Maxpeedingrods Instagram. Follow. Head over to Maxpeedingrods Facebook page. Like. Those 4 things. That's all you have to do. And I will be streaming on Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. All right, those 3 days. And you just have to tune in to when I'm streaming, and I will pick a random winner in the chat. That's it. Subscribe to my YouTube, not this one, but a new one, the gaming channel. Subscribe to my Twitch. Head over to Instagram and follow Maxpeedingrods. Head over to Facebook and like their page. Tune in on either Monday, Thursday, or Saturday, and just communicate with me in the chat. I'll see who you are, and I'll just pick a random winner. I'll probably ask y'all like a question, like when was this car made, or what was the first model of this, or something. I don't know. I'll figure something out live on screen, and whoever wins, you'll get these shipped to your front door for free. That's it. All right, so read the description down below, do those 4 steps, tune in on the days that I'm streaming, and you could win a set of free coilovers. All right, and also head over to egkcoupe.com and copy some merch. But that concludes this video. I hope to see y'all on the live stream on one of those days, and that's it. I'll leave my gamer tag down below too, or my Activision ID, or my Battle.net, whichever one I don't know. But stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.